Have you ever wondered about the deep, spiritual connection between people and the land they inhabit? For traditional Aboriginal Australians, this connection is profound and forms the very fabric of existence. It's a beautiful concept, divided into three interconnected realms: the living, the sacred, and the spiritual. Let's explore this together. It all begins with Mother Earth, the place where all life comes from and where all life eventually returns. Imagine, in the beginning of time, there was just arid land. Slowly, over countless ages, this land gave rise to vegetation. These plants, in turn, attracted animals. And then, from this rich mix of land, plants, and animals, the first traditional Aboriginal people were born, right into this vibrant ecosystem. Over thousands and thousands of years, these humans, animals, and plants became localized, staying within specific areas we might call tribal boundaries or nations. Think of it like a self-contained world where generations upon generations lived and thrived together. Everything in this vibrant, present world of people walking the earth. The kangaroos hopping, the eucalyptus trees reaching for the sky is part of what is known as the living realm. It's the here and now, the physical world we can see, touch, and experience. But what happens when life in the living realm comes to an end? This is where the sacred realm is created, when a person, an animal, or even a plant passes away. Its physical form returns to the earth, back to Mother Earth. Now, imagine this happening in the same specific location, within the same tribal boundaries, for thousands of years. Each life that returns to the soil adds a layer of history, a layer of ancestry. The land itself becomes sacred because it holds the physical remains of countless generations. It's not a horizontal spread of sacredness, but a vertical one, with layers upon layers of ancestral essence building up over millennia. This land, rich with the remains of the past, is the sacred realm. Now, we have the living on the surface and the sacred beneath our feet. But what about the spirit? When a physical body returns to the earth, its spirit is released. But this spirit doesn't just wander off aimlessly across the land. It remains connected to its origins. The spirit ascends and stays within the same traditional boundaries, directly above where its physical body rests. In the sacred ground, this entire dimension above the living and sacred realms is the spiritual realm. It's a vast, unseen world, filled with the spirits of all that has ever lived in that place. So, you have these three distinct realms, but they aren't separate. They are completely connected and depend on each other. The living realm is sustained by the sacred realm beneath it and watched over by the spiritual realm above it. It's a continuous, never-ending cycle. The living eventually pass and become part of the sacred. The sacred, holding the essence of life, nourishes the living. And from the sacred, new life is reborn and rebirthed, with a new spirit, continuing the cycle. So, the living becomes the sacred, and from the sacred, the spiritual is released, and the land gives birth to new life. This ageless cycle shows an incredible relationship with the land, where past, present, and future are all woven together in one place. It's a powerful reminder that the ground we walk on is more than just dirt and rock. It's a library of stories, a cradle of life, and a cathedral of spirits. Thank you for joining me on this journey into such a profound worldview. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the amazing cultures of our world. See you next time.